got enough of this fever. I know, I know. Nothing would remain and you don't wanna go.
Hey fams, welcome back to Atoya at Home. Oh, welcome. This is some LA Girl primer spray. I'm prepping and hydrating my face for makeup, which is what it's for. Today we go ahead and getting ready for Mamie's 16th birthday celebration at Hayashi's Sushi and Grill, which is a hibachi place. And so yeah, that's all we're doing right now. I'm just doing my makeup for that, and then after we get back, I'm gonna go ahead and show y'all my nighttime routine for after I wear makeup and put it down. That's it. That's all we doing. Nothing too much. Yeah, so I just hope y'all enjoy it. Let me go ahead and introduce myself. My name is Atoya. I am a wife, a mom, an entrepreneur, and that's about it. I do a lot of stuff. I have like 5 jobs, but hey, the main one that's more important, the most important, is being a wife and a mom. So, all right, let's get this started and on the road, and I hope y'all enjoy.
Don't you know what happens to dreams you don't follow? They crumble. You know I can't stay what you're getting so hollow, so cold. Cause you're thinking your place, no time to waste. I wanna love you, but life doesn't wait. You can't stay here and waste away. You need to taste every mistake, fall out and get up again and again. Again and again and again and again. I'll be with you always. You don't need to be afraid. And I'll meet you up, I'll meet you at the. I'll be with you always. You don't need to be afraid. I'll meet you up, meet you at the end.
So my daughters say that my makeup is 90s makeup. It's just what works for me. I'm not beating my face. I like natural looking makeup. Not like if I were to go to like a pageant or something, yes, I would want to get my face beat. Or have like a special engagement. Yeah, of course. But that's not, well, for me, that's not for every day. Just some basic BB cream and some eyeliner and some mascara and some eyeshadow and some lip liner and some lipstick. I'm good to go. That's all I need. That's all I need.
Keep my focus right. Every glimpse of you deserts me. You're all I think about sometimes. But baby, I saw you for a second feeling, and I'm happy that you came my way. Don't wanna waste no time without you ever brightening up my days. Never meant to fall so hard.
Alright, so y'all seen a couple views of my dress and my outfit of the day or the night. And so now I'm about to hop in this here shower and let the steam get the makeup ready to get off my face. And then I'm gonna wash my face. I need to actually do a mask and I can't find my chalk. Oh, I know where it's at. And then after that, so I'm gonna show y'all my nighttime routine when it comes to taking my face. I've actually gotten a lot of requests for this, especially from people from work. Weird. Work. Just work. We wear masks all day, but when you walk out, they be like, "Why are your face so dewy?" Because it's hot. But I don't do a lot with my face. If at the most, if I wash, I wash with Noxema. Noxema. And then I wash with my now with my Noxema, and then with Heavenly Glow skin products, which is made by my niece. I will go ahead and tag her down below. And so you can get my night routine when it comes to my face. And I really hope that you enjoy it. I had fun today. It was fun. I am now a parent of a 16 and an 18 and 11-year-old. She's not in teens yet. And I'm so happy. We have 2 years to wait for the teens. But y'all, I'm sexy. The older they get, the sexier I get. Ain't that right, honey?
Yeah, I'm sexy.
He said he's sexy now. Y'all see how he do me? But okay, we're gonna go ahead and get ready for this. I'm gonna go ahead and start the shirt. And then after I start the shirt, I'm gonna come in after the shirt and take care of my face. Okay? I'm not getting in the shower in the video, boo. Calm down. Okay, bye you guys. See y'all.
He's a vagabond, he won't love you better.
Okay, so hey you guys, I'm back. Before I got in the shower, I put Noxema on, or Noxema. So yeah, this is my face washcloth. Y'all seen it already one time today. Use it again. I'm about to rinse it out. No, I don't get a new one. My face shouldn't be that dirty. After tonight, I will be out. Okay. So we get the monthly subscriptions of Ipsy. There is a black-owned one that I'm wanting to do, and so we're working on trying to switch those. Cancel this and get that one. But it was in this. What's Ipsy? What's this month? October. So October we have this Vegan by Happy Skin toner. And then we have this clay mask that I have to be on a self-care day. And then we have a multi-dimensional eye palette. Let's see what's in here. The back is cute. Maybe I was opening up the wrong way. I always do that. Do y'all open stuff up the wrong way? You know, so cute, so pretty. La Makeage is always, oh, those are nice. Those are pretty. They got a mirror in it. Ow, ow, ow. That's so cute. And it's actually a magnifying mirror. I'll put that up there. So you get 5 things. So that's 1, 2, 3. The girls have took something out of here. In the bag. Contacts. Matte lipstick. I do like contacts. We have their, what we have up there? It's their eye balm that we have up there, and I really like it. So this is, ooh, that's a nice fall color. Y'all see that? Very nice fall color. All right, so I did get the toner. I did get that. So I'm about to go ahead and wash this stuff off. Water should be already hot, and it is. Sorry y'all having to hear the water. But yeah. So we're gonna get this done real quick. The next time I do makeup, it's gonna be a chit chat about my sleeve journey thus far. A lot of you know that on June 15th of this year was when my new life has started. And so today, well, I mean literally, I had like 3 half forks fulls of rice, 2 little whirlies of noodles. I had 2 mushrooms, about 4 little onions, 1 broccoli, 2 pieces of chicken, and 1.5 pieces of shrimp. That's what happened. Yes. So as you can see, it's clearing up the face. It's going on in the pores. So this is the Noxzema or the Noxzema with eucalyptus. And it's a deep cleansing. So that's why I like to do this when I take makeup off. If not, I just use the other stuff. I don't wear makeup that often because, yeah, I just don't.
It's the remedy, 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 yeah. Yeah, it's the remedy, remedy, yeah. Oh, no. Darling, Palooza, ain't gonna lose ya. I'm gonna do that. Darling, Palooza, ain't gonna lose ya. It's the remedy, remedy, darling, Palooza, ain't gonna lose ya. I'm gonna do that. Darling, Palooza, ain't gonna lose ya. It's the remedy, remedy, yeah. Tell me why'd you have to go and drive me so crazy? Now I'm feeling lost without you, and I just can't be without you, baby. Want you all night long, want you all night long. Tell me why'd you have to go and drive me so crazy? Now I'm feeling lost without you, and I just can't be without you, baby. Want you all night long, want you all night long, want you all night, 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 want you all night. Tell me why'd you have to go and drive me so crazy? Now I'm feeling lost without you, and I just can't be without you, baby. Want you all night long, want you all night long. Baby, now I'm feeling lost without you, and I just can't be without you, baby. Want you all night long, want you all night long. Give me all your love, baby. Give me all your love, baby. Give me all your love, all your love, all your love. Give me all your love, baby. Give me all your love, baby. Give me all your love, all your love, all your love. Watch all night, 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 watch all
that is it for the facial routine from the beginning till the end for me to put makeup on and take makeup off. I want to thank y'all so much for watching this video. I hope that y'all have a good day or night. I'm going to bed. For we are the family that loves life and having fun and give you the motivation and inspiration that you need to live your life abundantly. I want to thank y'all so much once again for all y'all support, and also we will see you on the tube. I love y'all so very much. Have a good night, y'all.